Hey, I wanted to do a real quick little tip and trick video that I learned this morning. Every Home Depot has, a Bob or a Bill, I call them. It's that, 70-year-old dude that's walking around that was an old master craftsman that just knows everything. Well, I'm walking down the aisle trying to find something, and sure enough, Bill comes up to me and says, "Can I help you?" I said, "Man, I'm trying to go from this, which is the flex tubing that comes off of a Privy Urine Diverting toilet, down to 1/2-inch ID tubing, and I had cut off two little pieces about this big. I'm trying to go from this to this," and he goes, "Follow me." So he takes me over to the PVC department, grabs this little thing right here, and this thing is 1-inch to 1/2-inch. It's threaded on the outside, it's threaded on the inside. He takes it, screws it in like this, and it screws right in, and it's super tight. I'm gonna put a ring clamp around it. That'll go from my urine diverting toilet down to here. Then we go over to the brass section. That just screws in there. I'll put some Teflon or PTFT tape in there. You only use Teflon when you're going metal to metal. When you're throwing PVC in there, you want to use PTFE tape, which is doesn't have as much silicone or something in it, so that it will bite onto the PVC. And then my tubing goes like that. So literally for less than, I think it was $5, I got out of there with these two, and I go from here to here, and then this will go underneath the van to my SureFlow pump, which will suck it out. I'm actually going to have it coming from my shower with a Y connecting into one tube that'll go across, and then that'll suck it and send it to my gray water tank. So anyway, 1-inch, now I can't get this thing off. 1-inch threaded on the outside, 1/2-inch threaded on the inside PVC, screws right into here, put a hose clamp over it, and then you got this brass nipple, which I can hardly get out of this now, is 1/2-inch to I don't know what you call it, a nipple that goes into 1/2-inch tubing. So anyway, hope that helps.